Hi everyone, Josh from Riccar. We're going to show you what's in the box with the 15-foot fit-all friction fit kit. This kit is designed to fit many different sizes of our vacuum cleaners that are available under the Riccar brand. So here's what you get in the box. 2 wands that connect together, 15-foot hose, 12-inch natural bristle floor brush, and a nylon mesh storage bag to hold it all in. And it's all in the bag. So now that you've seen what's in the box, we're gonna show you how to use it on a vacuum cleaner. This is the 15-foot friction fit all hose kit. In this case, we have a Riccar Spirit vacuum cleaner, which is 1 1/4" fit all, so it's nice and convenient that it fits this machine. So we'll go ahead and take first the hose out of the bag. So again, we have that floor tool. Show you 2 different ways that you can configure this hose to the vacuum cleaner. In this case, some vacuums don't have this port on it, but this one has a port in the back that you can actually flip open, stick that in there. It's, like we said, friction fit. You can then take your hose kit, 15 feet of it, hook up your wands. So you have 2 wands here that again just fit together. If you want to do some vaulted ceilings, put different attachments on and do different things, clean high ceilings, or in the case of the floor brush, we may want to sweep our floors. Now, if 15 feet for some reason isn't long enough, or if you just like hooking it up this way, you can leave this closed, disconnect your wand here, leave it in the vacuum, and plug this right onto the end of here. Because it's fit all, you're gonna get a little bit more distance out of that. Really, at this point, it's kind of personal preferences as well as whatever your cleaning needs are. But that's how the hose kit would fit onto your vacuum and make it a great multi-surface vacuum cleaner in your home. If maybe your vacuum is primarily a carpet cleaner, but you want this extension kit to clean your hard floors or do additional cleaning that you might need. So, hope this solves some of your cleaning problems. Happy vacuuming.